We don't want tribalism. Bosmake, don't put us into problem. You are organizing your team of chaos, and you want to use them to fulfill your need, and you claim that whatever comes from your mouth is the word from Acholi people. Rubbish. Don't put us into problem. You don't have any single power to stop anybody who is coming in Acholi land here. Whether being Bobby Wine, whether being who, you don't have that mandate. You feel like the 10 mangunya kichere NRM. Actually, the 10 mangunya kichere NRM. Fit any donya mere en may crossing enemy. Itika nyutni, you have power of causing chaos. Bosmake gineti timrani down by Rom Timone. Gineti timrani down by Rom Timone. Peta me umirti ki Johnny Mikelo war. In Peram when you come Bobby Wine, Peram Yon Bobby Wine, let me tell you. Plus all your team. Pepe Ramo. Pay work the team padano don't problem. Pay Kelo team padani peril. Don't need the NRM. We don't want Bobby Wine in Kitgo. Or in Acholi land. Who are you? Yeah, he take it to attack with ya. Take it to attack with. In fact, me are Louis in Kwana, your boss be 81. Fit and close to NRM. No, my Indian. It is mere wajane. In a kin, I don't eat it, you never attack full. They take on your NRM, oh, ye, we haven't seen any titi. Yal tika da, not chaos. Don't bring problem here. Titi tikada markonyo down wachwage. Pay watching a corner i jacket look of you, ni down, mirwakoti on padana pero. Wasn't where I what you need. Come on down a woman young look of you. You walk a Come look of you 11 more. Be down a go and a more team me money, you get team winning to a year in Caradan organizing of you, get Moican. You are trying to pioneer chaos in Acholi land by using our youth. Just that you show to the government that you are working. That's not the work we want. If you want people to die, then you try your nonsense. Try your nonsense plus your team, and you will see. One down team team in town team come down. It doesn't matter the kind of pain you are going to inflict on anybody. But remember, the pain will not last forever. And you, the people who will give pain to people, you are not going to last also forever. Therefore, you need to take care. We are tired of your things, my dear Bosmake. Pay work are routine and padano den chan. Kemo go and mo team wuni chituku ye ka wonu tamani o kono won NRM ka ngaro den NRM do mi yor chak lo ka view kituju watu je ka yat mengi ene je wa wuju mi kemo go and mo team wuni ka wonu tamani won we wa wuju eno un tam dan param organizing team be giber kwere. You want to bring insecurity in northern Uganda again with your team, and you want to bisect the Acholi people into two. The team of Bosmake and the team of other people. My friend, take care. Keep going and more team who need to be without you. We ain't got a junk and a polo you. Eat you one maning tijebe. Get down and go, my penang niang, cool. You have no right at all. This is a political environment which is now prevailing in Uganda. There's no way you can stop your colleague from coming to any area. No way. Eh? Even your Kampala koloni majui ko ni ti Kampala no ti Kampala kuja iba kapoko chene kitano and kininge mabe, you know, instead of bringing development in Achula. Pat ki poko chene bon mon malay kuja ba ngom kene mapat ma inti ne kan mapat. Chi dong ti dang wek mse ni ana lok ma da ki mi chende. Wa ka lok ma kelu niang. Ki lok meng. Wa wuti ke mo go na mo ki tim gun ino ni wa. Ka o mer ni to mo keno betie dan gu yang da jom ken dum tire. Ni dog la lok pa chuli dog nga. Dog la wi ruri dog nga. We did come on ken lo mir cheri. It is surprise ni you even took side. Ilo ka ruri. Ngo atiri lok eno ni. You are not supposed even to take side. Iti fane wo luango chep boss mi rom dano ma konye be pere. What a riem. It's too much. Look ma tere pe boss me. He controlling nga. No me ingwa na mai town in free ni wa ko me ki following in when wa niang. Me town in a free boss me gil. Wa ko me ki following in and we see. Because now that is too much. That is too much. Hopeless, we are tired. Why go on and more timu ma wunu tamane wone don dia palamenyi wa. Bon yang ni kar jomo keneti. I'm telling you.